Hello everyone. Today here at APSON Motors, we have with us Mr. Roshan from FireFox Elevators. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
All good sir. How would you like to describe your experience with APSON Motors?
We have been one of the first users of APSON motors, and it has been a wonderful experience since then. And probably we have installed more than 300 motors, and we are completely satisfied with the service of the company.
300 motors, that's really a number. We've just launched a product, newly launched. What would you like to say about that, sir?
I would like to congratulate Hiren Bhai for the launch. First of all, it is one of the biggest motors which I have seen in India, produced in India. I have seen a bigger one in Germany, but this is the biggest motor which I have seen in India, and it's really a feat of technology which he has bought in India. And I wish him all the best for the future for bringing such new products to India.
Thank you for your kind words, sir. Thank you for joining us.